Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set GIFs and shapes on the Notein application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's the home screen, and you can find the different buttons. Now go to the settings icon at the upper right corner of the home screen, and here go to the second section, the tool settings, and here you can find the second option, the GUIDs and shapes. Click that, and here you can enable or disable the show GUIDs, the shape alignment, and the angle correction option. New is this three option is enabled, but if you want to turn off, just click to the next blue circle, and that's it. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.